if you're a brand selling a super awesome TikTokable product, particularly if it's D2C, you need to get your company on TikTok. It's not just about dance videos and musical challenges. TikTok means business. And in this video, we're going to cover how you can use the platform to grow your business or startup. So stick around, grab your notepad, and let's get cracking. First up, show your work. So if you're a brand that makes a product, by far the biggest and most important thing you can do on TikTok is show what you're building or show what you're making on the platform. I've seen many excellent, mouth-salivating products on TikTok.
I'll never forget your 100% all-secret patty, secretly assembled, all secretly steaming between two fluffy seaweed seed buns.
Yes! Come to Papa!
Some of the best content I'm seeing is, of course, food content. Who can blame me? It's lockdown, put on a few pounds. TikTok has definitely salivated my food desires. I'm talking about cakes and chocolate and sweets, everything that a lockdown Charles over the past 12 months couldn't want anymore. But no, it's true. Companies are really adopting this show your work approach. And there's a book by Austin Kleon called Show Your Work, which is a really good example of where this works and some really good tips on how to do it. There's actually a company here in the UK as well who are using TikTok to promote their gourmet confectionery brand. And with over 70,000 followers on TikTok, they are absolutely crushing it. And it's massively helping their bottom line. So much so that they even get requests from potential customers asking them to film their order being created. The content is just creating itself. I'll link the business down in the comments below so you can check them out for inspiration. The biggest misconception is that it's only food content that does well, and that is so far from the truth. I've seen people showcasing their Etsy beauty products, software products, eBay flippers, Amazon dropshippers, people setting up clothing businesses. Take a look at the platform, get some inspiration of how people are doing it, and adopt the same mindset for your product offering. And that creator mindset is super important, because the thing about TikTok, more so than any other social media platform that I've seen, is it's all about people. And more so than ever, you could leverage your own employees for your content, empowering your own employees to be part of your brand and embrace them getting involved in your promotion online. When you're showing what you're making, what you're building, get the staff and the team involved in showcasing the brand, the products and the story behind the business. People don't really want to just buy from a faceless brand. They want to buy from husband and wife businesses or from businesses where they know whose staff really care about the product that they're actually creating. And this works across loads of different industries. So for example, if you're a recruitment company, you could work with the different recruiters in your team to build up a range of job or interview tips as different TikTok videos designed to help job seekers. And then you could encourage community content by helping individual users and individual job seekers answer their many interview-related questions, which leads really nicely into creating community content. And TikTok content is incredibly reactive. And because it's so easy to create videos on the platform, you just grab your phone, put it in your hand, start creating videos, it's even easier to respond to people's questions right away. And so what I've seen a number of times is people creating videos in response to questions or comments that people put down in the comments section of each TikTok video. So if you want to directly interact with your potential customers, and if we think about this in business context, indirectly lead them down the marketing funnel, then responding to any questions as new videos is a really great way of building that relationship with users, and has the additional benefit of creating free content. Get involved in community content, search for some similar videos within your brand's niche for inspiration, and also look at trending music on the platform to increase the chances that your organic content will trend. And don't forget to follow trends that are also relevant to your specific niche and jump on them while they're still relevant. TikTok content moves super quick, So if you see something trending that's relevant to your business, do not delay. Okay, so we've talked about organic content, but what happens if we're a business or a startup or a company and we want to grow even quicker? Well, we've got two options here. First of all, we can sponsor creators on the platform. So the best way I would go about doing this is find relevant creators, maybe they're posting about similar things in your niche already, and collaborate with them. Keep the end consumer in your mind, and if that end consumer fits that mold with that specific influencer, then chances are this influencer or creator will help increase brand awareness and increase your sales if you work with them to promote your product. The second way we can promote on TikTok is by using paid advertisement campaigns, the same as you would on Google or Facebook. And so TikTok have something called the TikTok Ad Campaign Manager. And they've got 3 different types of ads that we can create on TikTok. You've got native in-feed ads, hashtag challenge ads, and brand ads. If you're a company or your brand sitting there and you've got the money, will really help catapult things even quicker than organic content would. And let me tell you, organic content grows super fast on TikTok. Combine that with a paid ad campaign, you're going to grow super fast, particularly if it's in a Gen Y or Gen Z audience. So study the platform, don't aim for perfectionism. Literally filming content on your phone is really great on TikTok. I would actually encourage that more so than hiring a professional film crew. And just make sure that if you're a brand or you're a company, be personable, be human, and include a clear call to action in your bio, and your business will be well on the way to success. So yeah, show your work, show what you're building, put it on TikTok, share it also on Fleets, share it on Reels, share it on YouTube Shorts, and you will do a really good job capitalizing on these companies who are really promoting this short form portrait content as a way to grow your business. If you enjoyed this video, click here to watch how people and creators are making money on TikTok. And do subscribe for more videos just like this. Hope it was helpful. Have a great rest of your day. See you in the next one. Peace.